I'm on my way to the Berubis Chrome Shop truck show in Bow, New Hampshire. Let's go. Cue the music. The Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. I'm reporting to you from the place where I started my dump truck career. After my 20 years over the road, driving around looking for a place to work, I decided I wanted to drive for a place that only had nice rides, long-nosed Pete's, long-nosed Kenworths. I stumbled upon this place. It was an hour away from home. I can't even remember what I was doing up here, but I walked into Sam's Transportation. I walked into this office right here, to that back office. This is before internet and smartphones. I carried around pictures of my old trucks and pictures of my trophies from all the trophies I won back in the day. And they offered me a ride with somebody the next day. Said, well, the guy's gonna go load a load of poop, human waste, take it up to Norwich Walk, Maine. If you like what you see and you want to give it a shot, come on down here. So I worked here for about a year, and this is where I got my start. And it was a bad economy that year, and I ended up getting laid off. It got a little slow. Went back into freight for about 9 months, and that's when I got back into dump trucking full time. So that was, I started working here on January 5th, 2009. So this is where we kept the wagons. You can smell some of them have had poop on them. I can smell, I remember, it's a familiar smell. But they got some cool stuff in this yard. I haven't been here in forever. Like on this old, beautiful Kenworth. I remember seeing this truck on the road. Pretty cool, man. Oh yeah, old school, oh yeah. Yeah. Got these old trailers. I'm sure I've pulled some of these trailers before. I was such a rookie when I came to work at this place. I knew nothing about hydraulic lines and how to hook them up. And the most frustrating thing for me coming to work here was the tarps on these things. Like, they would get covered with ice, and the tarps would jump the track. I knew nothing about that. I knew nothing about hauling over 80,000. We were running, 100,000 plus. Oh yeah, that's a familiar smell. I wish you could smell it. It's 379 here. Let's take a walk around the yard since we're here. Why not? So Mike Ricker and Bill Ricker hired me. Mike passed away a few years ago. Great guy. Gave me a shot in this business. I owe my dump truck career to Mike Ricker, really. Look at this. No wife, happy life. Wow. Old Sam's. Nice ride. Nice ride. Look at all the chrome goodies on this one. It's a little fire truck. Old pumper. It's a Mack. How cool is that? Town of Georgetown. That's where we are, Georgetown, Mass. Wow, this is in great condition. This is a 71 Mack. Now somebody might say, wow, Mike, you have really great knowledge on the trucks. You know this was a 71. I didn't know what this says. Right there. Right there. That's how you know. The date's right there. I looked for it. What a cool ride. Nice and clean. CF 600. This is the garage right here. I spent some time in there. This is Sam's truck. Some more dump trailers. Just take a walk real quick out here, out back. So yeah, oh, here's the truck I used to drive. I drove one of these. I got pictures of it. Back when it's seen better days. Oh yeah, I get the pictures of this one. I'll have to put them up. I was hauling salt out of Boston with this one. This is the garage. That was a cool truck. There's an old Peterbilt. Looks like it's had a wreck. These guys started out way back in the day. Driving the old trucks. I don't want to say anything wrong. I think it was the Brockways. Brockways or Diamond Rios back in the day. I love this truck. This is the truck that Billy Ricker drives. I see him on the road all the time. And this is Bill's girlfriend's truck, Jennifer. Used to be owned by Brad Campbell. The legendary Brad Campbell of the South Coast of Massachusetts. Diamond Rio. Ricker, oh wow, look at this. Old Diamond Rio. That's far out. Old school green light. Right there in the middle, and two up there. That's pretty awesome. So this must be one of their original tractors. Sweet. That's pretty pissa. It smells like the good old trucks. Awesome. Totally awesome. Glad I walked up here to check that out. If you're from the Boston area and you see this, it's a familiar sight. Crystal Motor Freight. The back of their trails, they all say, behind a rolling ball comes a running child. Remember that. It's true. It's so true. All right. That was my tour of Sam's. My beginnings. Wait. There's one more truck. One more truck. Hold on. I spotted this T600. That is far out, man. Look at that. T600, no sleeper. Wonder if it had a sleeper at one point. Let's check the back. Wow, that's pretty cool. The Hogue builds. Wow, that is pretty awesome. I drive that thing daily. Super cool. All right, let's roll. Hope you enjoyed my little tour here. Unplanned video.
Just happy to go up solo, you know.
Wow, look at this truck. Is this the 389?
You bring your truck? No, sir. I didn't have a chance
Hey.
yesterday. How are you, brother?
How are you? Is that a 389? What is that? Is that cab over?
This is Alex.
That thing right there? 359. Oh, okay. I thought it was a 389.
Hey, Mr. Boston Trucker.
What's up?
Learn your trucks, would you?
I'm
please?
telling you, I stopped counting truck.
No, you never saw that one.
No.
No,
tell by the air
I've been
cleaners.
keeping that high.
Oh,
hiding
okay.
it.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Good
Good
to
to
see
see
you.
you.
Tubes out with the
There you go. Nice talking to you, Mike.
Hey, you too.
Hey, Mike.
See you guys. What's up, everybody? Remember this guy?
Here I am.
Andrew's back
Here I am.
at the truck show. First guy I ran into.
That's right.
Driving this cool tri-axle.
Yep.
Telling me he just painted this body by hand yesterday. Looks good, man.
I got to give a shout out to Ed because he helped me do it.
Looks good. Nice truck. How's the new gig?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Absolutely fantastic.
So you mostly driving this right now?
Mostly driving this right now, you know, and it's totally fine because it's a nice truck.
Yeah.
You know, it's 2018 Peterbilt 18 speed, which you don't find a lot of 18 speeds
Right.
in tri-axle, but this
Yep.
thing has an 18 speed. This friggin' flies,
Very
and
cool.
I love it. You know, check out the inside.
Oh, yeah,
It's a
looks
little
good.
bit dirty than what I like to be, but we've also been super busy.
Yeah.
And we just haven't had a real good chance to really give it a good clean, you know?
Yeah, I
Like
get
what
it.
I would want.
Every day is a struggle.
Every day. I don't care who you are. Every
Yeah,
day
yeah.
is
No, that's
is
good. You've been doing a
struggle.
little trailer trucking too?
Oh yeah, a little trailer truck in here and there.
Yeah.
But mainly this for right now.
Yeah.
You know.
And you're okay with that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they treat you good?
They treat me fantastic.
Good, that's all that matters.
So-
You closer to home?
Much closer to home, and that's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because I've just been closer to home, and
Yep.
you cannot put a price on that.
No, absolutely not.
You know.
Yeah.
You know, the things that I've been able to do since I've been closer to home is, you know, things I haven't been able to do
Sure.
when I was working with you and
Yeah.
Cardillos, which Cardillos are fantastic too.
Right.
And yeah, it's just I'm happy, you
Good.
know.
As long as you're happy.
And I've got this thing. Yeah.
Well, you're boxing now?
Yeah.
It's got this thing. Oh, shifting. Shifting gears.
I
Okay.
am shifting.
Oh, wow. Well, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Shifting is
No.
life.
So, it's a very nice truck, and I'm very happy with it.
I'm happy for you, buddy. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Mike.
Got the beautiful Roadworks truck here. Everybody's checking it out. Truck looks awesome. I'm following this guy on social media, right? Drove through the rain all the way out here. He's been wiping it down. Chad Violet.
We haven't touched the
You can check him out, check out his photography. Totally chromed out, decked out. Interior. Man, Roadworks knows how to do it. I think I might get some of their products from my new truck. I'm trying to figure out which chrome company I want to go with for the new one. They bring this truck and trailer to all the shows. They got a display inside. Let's go inside. Let's go check it out. Cool lights. Look at the different colors. Wow. I like these. These are nice.
Hi, Mike.
Hey, Robbie, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Hi. What's going on? I'm doing good, man. Just checking out the nice trucks.
Yeah, they're awesome. Yeah, good truck is good. Sold.
What's up, guys? Tell everybody your name.
Tyler.
Dan and Tyler from Vermont. You guys bring trucks here?
Yeah, I got my service truck down there.
All right. Cool. All right.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
Nice day.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take this thing for a ride.
I think you should. I think it's sweet.
Like it's pleat. This is pretty stuff.
Your new
Pretty cool.
truck.
Pretty cool custom. Yeah, yeah. I want to check out these cab overs.
Oh, yeah.
The cab over kings. That's where I grew up in. One of those.
So this one right here.
First over the road trip. GMC Astra. This is a newer style one.
Was this like your dad's, or is this something you drove?
Dad, no, my dad drove. Yeah, dad drove an Astro.
Jesus.
I drove one of these. I drove a bunch of these, but I always.
It makes you wonder now how you survived in it.
Yeah, I didn't know any different. But I always dreamed of having one with an eagle on it. There's a double bunk. I drove one for land transport. I drove one for Walmart.
No kidding. What? Oh, wow.
That's pretty sweet, huh? Double bunk eagle. But man, this Astro, check that out. Fishbowl. Never drove an Astro. Only rode in them. I lost the door. Long wheelbase. Lights on the deck plate. This is how we roll. If you have to ask, you wouldn't understand. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so then I'm gonna
No, I haven't filmed much video yet because I can't because of the copyright laws of the music. But right now the music's off, so let's walk around and see what we see here. See the people. What's up, Ben?
How we doing?
How are you?
What's up?
Nice rides. A big turnout. Big turnout. I like this flat glass. I like that. That's nice.
Okay. All right, sounds good.
Situate. Let's go this way. Got Ryko here. Dennis Wheeler. Raywar Trucking. And his wife Cassie. Well, I love seeing this truck coming down the road. I don't think she ever sees me, but I always see her coming down the road pulling a flatbed. It's a head turner. A lot of trucks have snuck in here since I came in here this morning.
Good enough for me.
Got a FLD 120. Is that an Aero Sleeper they call those? I drove one like this. Bet this truck started out as an old D&T truck. Remember D&T? They had it like this. Silver Arrow. That's what these are called. Silver Arrow. Couldn't think of the name of them. Nice day today. It's hot. Kenneth Osborne brought this beautiful Mack. 4-hour towing. Sweet. Look at that. I think it's a nice looking ride. Who are these guys over here? Oh, Matt Brown truck repair, obviously. Got the American flag. That's awesome. Beautiful. Gotta have that at a truck show. I always want to see this truck up close. Class of 1952. That's beautiful. Oh, heading up to the Deering Truck Show August 19th. It's a 2-day show. I'm going to be up there August 19th. I know Kenneth Osborne's one of the organizers, so I'm sure this truck will be up there. And if you haven't been to the Deering show, which I haven't, Long Haul Paul's going to be there putting on a concert. And just for that reason is reason enough to go. So I will be there with my buddy Ben Center. Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh, hear that music? Gotta shut the video off. They'll hit me, they'll get me. The YouTube police will get me with that one. Wow. Matt Enterprises in New York. Never seen these guys before. Pretty nice rides. Beautiful. Heavy hauler. Wow. Severino. This thing looks brand new. Jimmy Cantogio. Did an interview with him last year, if you remember. Great guy, great guy. The Cat Man. Call him the Cat Man. Jimmy and I are gonna get together pretty soon. We're gonna do a ride along video. He wants me to drive it. So I'm gonna take that thing for a ride. I'm nervous. I'm already nervous. Oh look! Showtime. A white hat?
Yeah.
Nice. I like that.
Belt buckle too.
Let me see.
Road Boss.
Oh yeah, that's why I learned how to drive on a Road Boss.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Well, the company I worked for, my dad worked for him too. In '73, they bought a brand new white Road Boss.
Yeah, who was that?
Robin's Lumber, Sears Mall. So that was a big deal, you know, that first year for it and everything. I was at the Bangor State Fair in one of those little trailers there that sells all kinds of junket.
Yeah.
Had a little case there with belt buckles. They had one of these white Road Boss belt buckles.
Wow.
Well, I just, you know, I was only 12 at the time because I was wearing it every day, wearing it out.
Yeah.
I bought that Road Boss 2 years ago.
Really?
Went around the block. I bought that. So I bought that Road Boss at the head mill. And a couple months later, I found this belt buckle on eBay. Exact same belt buckle that I bought when it was.
That's a collector's item.
Yeah. But I don't wear it every day now.
So you still have the Road Boss?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wow. That's awesome. YouTube, check me out. All right. Give myself a free plug. Chad's page. That's Chad who drives the Roadworks truck. Chad Violet Photography. Them fingerprints were not there when I left this morning. Those are little kid handprints.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Probably orange.
That's okay. Oh man. Good. Good. He watches my videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Boston Trucker, right? That's who you're watching?
Yeah,
okay.
that's what I want.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I watch you all the time now.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. When I heard you was coming here, that was Friday night.
Yeah.
You just got done washing your truck and everything.
Yeah. I was sweating.
Oh, that's the one. He's the one you watch all the time.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Not too bad.
It's a nice structure.
Uploading the chair. You go. Yeah, I need to.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, nice
See you
meeting you,
around.
man.
All right. Take care now.
Yeah, you too.
All right. There goes Andrew. There in the white truck. here with Kenneth Osborne and his 1952. What is this, an LT?
LT, yep.
LT Max. See, I know my Max. You know, I'm not a Mack guy, but I know some of the numbers. Whoa. What's that, a Caterpillar?
Cummins.
You sure?
290 small cam.
290 small cam.
It was built with a 250.
Yep.
My father had to show up in Owl's Head, Maine, and lost the camshaft, and Bill Jones had this as a takeout, and then Bill put that in this truck then.
Wow.
Say 94-ish, somewhere around there.
290. That's a big power back then, right?
Yeah. A lot bigger than I was built with.
So what's it like for a transmission? Like an automatic?
It's 5 and a 4. It's a Mack 5-speed main and a Spicer 4-speed auxiliary.
Oh my God. You know how to drive this?
Yeah.
Come on. That's pretty cool. That is awesome, dude. Wow. Those air wipers up there, huh?
Yeah,
Those
yeah.
are pretty cool.
And the air wipers.
Wow. And
Sold in
so what's the history
California
with the truck?
originally.
Okay, from California?
Sold in California originally. Built in
Yeah.
Allentown on July 30th, 1952.
Mm-hmm.
The Mack Museum's a great resource for the history on Macks.
Yeah.
It was sold originally to L&S Equipment in, I want to say Orono, California was the town.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what they did with it. They no longer exist. I tried to Google them.
Okay. Well, they didn't have Google back then. That's the
No, they
problem.
didn't. My guess would be if they're an equipment company, it
Yeah.
probably delivered equipment from the dealership.
Right. How's it sound? Can we hear it
Sounds
start?
pretty good. Yeah, we can.
Will it start?
It'll start.
You heard him, folks. It's going to start. So to start this thing, what do you just turn the key?
No, it was a compression release.
Oh wait, let's get that on video.
You gotta-
All right, don't flub this now. You're on video.
all right.
Okay, make sure it's in neutral. Clutch in. Yep.
Key on.
Yep.
Compression release out.
Oh yeah. Hey Keith, I'm trying to make a video here. Oh, you're holding the door? Hold the door. Thank you. Now you're on the video.
Okay.
A wig-wag low air alarm, which you don't see anymore.
Yeah, wigwag. So right now it says you're low on air.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you drive this?
I have not driven it. I probably won't either.
I don't think I could drive it.
Come on, just simple drop it in the air and go.
I just need an hour. An hour by myself, I could drive it. This is awesome. 52. It's like 75 years old, right? Pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, 71. Top speed is 62 miles an hour,
Really?
which was moving back in the 50s.
Too, yeah.
Figure before the interstate system.
Yeah, just open them vent windows and get a breeze.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check out the other side. And so how long you've had this truck?
My father bought it in 1989.
Hold on, this guy's trying to steal the show over here.
Yeah,
How can we
yeah.
compete with that? Showtime.
This is why I stayed at the end of these.
Wow. Well, at least there was a Mack, right? Getting a little closer. Wow.
I guess everybody left too soon today.
I never did that with our Mack Superliner. Can you do that with this truck?
No.
This video is a waste then. No.
No.
So what were you saying?
So my father bought it in 1989 out in Buffalo, New York.
Yep. Oh yeah.
And then he passed away in 98. He passed it on to me. And then 2012 or so, I started bringing it out
Yeah.
when I was old enough to drive it and all that. Trying to keep it just how my father had it.
Yeah. Hey, we should go for a ride. You want to take a ride down the road here? Would you take me for a ride in this thing?
Sure.
Let's go. We're gonna go for a ride just down the road here. Is that okay? All right. Sorry, Keith. You want to sit on my lap?
Listen, to get into this, don't tempt me.
Thank you. All right, thanks.
There's not much for handles.
Okay. Wow. Ooh, air ride. Air ride seat. This is the air conditioning right here. Open the window, push it out. I don't want to mess with it. This will be the oldest truck I've ever ridden in.
Really?
Right now, yeah. I've never driven in a truck this old.
So, parking valves are down here, and they're backwards. You
Wow.
pull it out to release the brakes.
Okay.
When I was a kid, my father was driving, my younger brother was in the seat. He would ratchet strap us in.
Yeah.
No seat belts, of course.
Yeah.
And I was standing here. And I stepped on
God.
that going down the
Oh
road.
no.
He was not amused.
Well, the wipers are up there, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been like that from the factory,
I was
but
gonna
whoever
say.
restored it, that's
So what's this guy at?
they
6 and a
did.
4?
5 and a 4.
5 and a 4.
But they only found a 3 for the plate, apparently.
Okay.
But it is a 4.
Just go for a short ride. You know,
All that to get to 20 miles an hour.
that was impressive, though.
What's that?
That was impressive.
Thank you.
Whoa, a Jake brake.
So something my father told me, even way before I was old enough to drive, 'cause I was 11 when he passed.
Yep.
To see a lot of guys will put their hand through. I said, you never do that. Because back in the days of no power steering,
Yep.
if you caught a rut or hit the right kind of bump, the steering wheel would break your arm.
Oh,
And then you'd have a real pickle trying to drive the rest of the way
oh
where
my
you were
God.
going. So his opinion was that all the guys you see doing this stuff
Yeah.
are just showboating. I never saw him do that. Always just the one hand.
Like a kid in a candy store. Well, that was impressive.
Thank you. Every now and then I get the idea to come up with a twin stick to work with just so I can refine the skill. 'Cause
Yeah.
you know, I'm not nearly as good as a guy that did it every day hauling freight. I can just go to a show with it and get home. That's generally good enough. But it is a lot of work because you'll have all those gear changes you saw at 20.
Yeah.
Now you're in the top gear in this truck at about 40.
Yeah, imagine doing this back in the day. That was just an everyday thing.
Yeah, that's just how it was. There was nothing else out there.
Wow. Well, that was pretty awesome,
That
man.
door handle can be kind of hokey.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow, that was fun. fun, Kenneth. Appreciate it.
welcome.
Hey, you got a truck show coming up?
Yes, we do. The Granite State Chapter, Antique Truck Club of America, in Dearman, New Hampshire, on August 19th and 20th.
What do you got going on at
2
the
days.
show?
We got a bunch of trucks. We got live music. We're gonna have Long Haul Paul playing on the 19th. His show time's gonna be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. All goes according to plan.
All right.
And,
I'll be there.
I'm looking forward to it.
All right, thank you. Reporting live from Berubis. All right, man. Thank you. All right, thanks for the ride. See you at Deering.
Yes.
All right.